Hey guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and explain this to you guys real quick. I made a curing chamber for the Suho Mesa this year. We're gonna make sure that the meat is kept at the proper temperature. We're gonna be fermenting some sausage this year, so we're gonna be adding some lactic bacteria to it, and I want to make sure that it stays around 85 to 90% humidity, around 60 degrees in temperature. And the way I'm going to do that is I've got this little fan set up and a heater, and then I've also got the humidifier set up. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just testing to see what I can get the humidity up to in this room and the temperature, and then maintain it. If I can get it to maintain around 85, 90 and around 60 degrees, which the temperature won't be a problem, it's more the humidity. I've got my Kupus barrel here, and on top of it you can see we're at 46% humidity, 63 degrees. I just turned this thing on a few minutes ago, and I'm just putting it on the absolute lowest setting possible. You can see it's kind of kicking out a little bit of vapor to try to get the humidity up. So I'm going to let it sit for about an hour, let it run, and then come back down here and check it out. And at some point, it should be pretty good. This room is great for mesa. You got a brick wall here, and then you got a brick wall here, all concrete other than the ceiling, which is drywall. So I went ahead and attached these electric conduits and braced them to the ceiling, and then I've got about 72 hooks that I'll be hanging the kubastsa, pechenica, shoulder, all that kind of good stuff too. So one of the things when you're curing meat, if you cure it too quickly, dry it too quickly, it forms this skin on the outside, and then the center is raw and the outside is too dry. So you really need to make sure to maintain about 85%, 95% humidity for the first week, and then slowly drop it from there. And ideally, you want to keep it at about 85% humidity for about 3-4 weeks. And then you could drop it down to 70. So we'll see. Right now the Kupus is going. It's going to be hopefully ready for the first head for Thanksgiving. And on Friday after Thanksgiving, I'm going to go ahead and start preparing the Suho Mesa. And so this is going to be our curing room, and should be good to go. All right, guys, I'll keep you updated.